Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Note LLM app. First, download the Google Notebook LLM app from App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Google account. Then give your notebook a name. For example, you can name it as Study Notes, Work Project, or anything you like. Now tap Add Sources or Create New. From here you can add PDFs, Google Docs, text file or link. The app will read your content and prepare it for a question or seminars. Once your source is added, you can start asking questions. Tap the chat or question box and type your questions. For example, you can ask summarize the document or what are the main points. Notebook LLM will give you the answer based on the sources you uploaded. You can also create notes and summaries. Look for the option like generate summaries, key point or study guides. If you want to keep things organized, you can add more sources or create new textbook for different topics. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.